Okay, here's a property. It's known as Hummingbird Hill. And you can see what a great property this is. It's about 35 acres of land, a little over 35 acres of land. Includes this huge house, colonial style house, and a great big workshop way over there as well too. Workshop is perfect for all of your needs over there. Huge doors onto it to get very, very large equipment into it. Nice picturesque lawn, landscape, that sort of thing here. They've got a huge wrap deck around the property here. And it's known as Hummingbird Hill because of all the hummingbirds out here. The owners of the property have had these hummingbird feeders out here, and they will get hummingbirds out here by the droves that come along. So we call that there the hummingbird viewing area. Hopefully you're into hummingbirds. The house is a 3-level colonial style house, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's got a full bath on the main level. So it's great when you're coming in from your workshop. You can clean up, that sort of thing. You've got a Generac whole house generator sitting there as well too. Nice swing set in the back. You can see these park-like acres out here, the way it's set up. And your garage, that's way over here as well too, off to the side. You know it's there, but it's not too close to you as well too. So, home has a huge screen porch off the back as well too. Perfect for large family gatherings, that sort of thing. Full basement, great property. So let's just take a quick look at the front yard. And there you have it. Hummingbird Hill, located in Rappahannock County. Nice and quiet. I've already stirred up a couple of bunny rabbits that scared me. I was out here the other day. Turkey were out here running around. You have deer, lots of wildlife. So give me a shout if you'd love to see the house. Thank you.